take care of you. I will.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kiss&Makeup, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I got this hot chocolate inspired makeup look. Very easy and simple to do. So I started off by applying a primer to my lid, and now I'm applying this medium brown tone into my crease with a large fluffy brush to spread it out very evenly. All the colors that I use are very easy to find and recreate, but I will have them linked down in the description box below. So next I'm going to take this red brown shade and apply that as my crease color, and I'm just applying that with a smaller brush directly into my crease and blending that out. You want to make sure that you're merging the two colors together so it doesn't look like a drastic change. Next I'm going to apply this dark brown shade directly onto my lid, and as you guys can see, this is a matte brown shade, and I'm going to apply a topper on top of it later on in the video, but I'm just patting this color right onto my lid. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush and blend that matte brown with my transition color. So to give this eyeshadow the sparkly look that you guys can see on the other lid, I'm using the Urban Decay Moondust palette, and I'm using the shade Lithium. And I found that the best way to apply the Urban Decay eyeshadows in this palette are with your finger. You get the best color payoff that way, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to tap that right onto my lid. And one of my favorite things about this eyeshadow palette is that the colors are very buildable, so you can really build this color up to a very intense payoff if you would like. So I did experience some fallout from the glitter in this palette, so then I took a wet wipe and just cleaned underneath my eye to get any excess glitter off of my skin. So I love the way that this eyeshadow made the matte brown shadow look. It looks a lot different and looks like a whole new shade, honestly. So next I'm going to take that same brown shade that I applied into my crease and then apply it onto my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go in with the same dark brown that I applied on my lid, and I'm also going to apply that onto my lower lash line. Next I'm going to go in with my liquid liner of choice, and I'm just going to line my top lash line without creating a wing, just creating a dark line for when I apply my lashes later on off camera. So I used the white eyeliner from NYX to represent marshmallows in this case, a very small detail, but I just thought it was something cute to add. So as you guys can see, I'm going to apply a dot above and on the bottom of my eye. And then I'm going to go in with a white glitter and just add a little bit of that to make it look a little bit more festive. Next I'm going to proceed with my foundation routine, business as usual. I wanted to go for a very matte look, and I also wanted it to be very bronzy. So I did apply a little bit more contour than I normally do, and you guys will see that later in the video. As far as my foundation routine, not much has really changed, except for this planet that's taking residence on my face right now. So I am going to kind of speed through my foundation routine for the most part. Also, today was one of the rare occasions where I decided to apply blush, and I actually applied this blush that is very similar to the MAC Raisin blush, and I applied that right onto the apples of my cheeks, and I really like the way that it turned out. The last thing that I did was apply this dark brown lipstick, and I just feel like this really sealed the look and pulled everything together. So much for watching. If you made it this far in the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you won't miss tomorrow's upload.